Hello guys, this is Jack Paul. Hope everyone doing fine. On today's video, we are gonna build 70 to 75k range PC build. On the first part, we will describe all the PC components and specifications used to build this and then start to build on the time-lapse mode. Finally, we are gonna test some games after completing the build. So let's get started. For cabinet, I am using Chip & Trox HX 2000 model. So what's special about this cabinet is we are getting with 3 RGB fans with 2 LED strips inbuilt with very decent price. So for motherboard, I am using Gigabyte B450 series. There are many reasons to go with this motherboard because at this price point we can't get any motherboard with dual band Wi-Fi and built-in Bluetooth. For power supply, I am going with Antec 550W PSU, which is cheap in price when compared to other Corsair models, and it has partial braided cables and 80+ bronze certified, which means it provides consistent 80% supply overall, so it's great PSU. For storage, I am using 8GB DDR4 RAM sticks from HyperX and 500GB NVMe SSD from Western Digital. For processor, I am using AMD Ryzen 7 2700, which has 8 cores and 16 thread unit. Here comes the part everyone gets excited, including the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 260. This is Twin Fan Edition from Inno3D, which is the cheapest RTX 260 card you can get on the market. If you're not an RGB lover and don't wish to spend few more thousands just for RGB lighting, you can go for this. This card gives more than 100 FPS on AAA title games on 1080p. This card has more technical advantage which I will be explaining on the later part of the video. So stay tuned and let's get started. A few tips to pick the CPU for your build configuration. If you're planning to build your PC just for gaming and won't do much of multitasking means, you can just go for Ryzen 5 3700 chip, which has better clock speed and performance on every core but has only 6 core. But if you're planning to build for productivity purpose and heavy multitasking usage, just go for this chip, because in this price segment you won't get any better processor than this. So here's the technical detail about the RTX 260 card. Apart from gaming, you can do a lot of more stuff by using this RTX series card. It has around 240 tensor cores, which is used for machine learning and deep learning technologies to accelerate head performance. This 2060 version is the base variant in RTX model, which has ray tracing technology. If you like the details of the game like reflection, shadows, this adapts to render like real world shading using this ray tracing technology. So overall, it's an amazing graphic card. I tried to do my best in cable management part, so this is how it looks after completing. So this is the moment I'm waiting for. Let's switch it on. Here we go.
Yeah.
Let's test some games now. First I'm gonna try Valorant, which is more like CSGO and Apex Legend mixed together. I pretty much like the visual of this game. Wow, I've never seen this much FPS before. This is amazing. Okay, now let's check with Apex Legend. This is fully max setting which I'm playing on. Wow, still I'm getting more than 120 FPS in constant. Thanks for watching till the end.